So for the next 120 seconds, the world is watching, everyone is glued to the TVs, and everybody's looking at you. Make yourself proud.
The secret chord that David played, and please the Lord that you don't really care for music, Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall in the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, and beauty and the moonlight over dream. She tied you to her kitchen chair, broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew hallelujah, maybe there's a God above, and all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody on a dream. And it's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. You're the code and it's a broken hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah,
We all agree now that this was much more better than the choice of song we chose the first time. And I would still say that from what I know of you as a person, I feel bad that you were underprepared for today, because I've heard you sing before where you're comfortable, and you, if it was to be on 10, this would be like 0.5. So I'm just saying that if your 0.5 could be this much, then just imagine if you could step into 5 and 10, not even being perfect. That's a big start for you and for all of us. So I want to say that you keep working, you get professional help, because the show is about professionalism and about the future. Fans don't forgive failure, you know that, right? I hope you know that fans don't forgive people. You mess up for life. There's no second chances. So you need to get it right or you get it wrong, and you get it just once. So thank you for trusting Fireworks, and we look forward to seeing you